Okay, we're going to go over my packing system here. And the first thing I've got here is my Osprey 39 Kestrel pack. It's got a lot of room up on top here. You can zip open here, put a bunch of stuff on top. It's got a sleeve in here where you can put a water reservoir in there, or I like to just kind of keep papers down in there. Plenty of room in here for your clothes and your gear. You got a front pocket here. Places for water bottles on the side, and the bottom part here where I keep my sleeping bag, stuff my sleeping, I should say my quilt. I've got that right here. I'll just take my quilt and put that in there in the morning. The rest of my pack will be packed up in the evening. It's one thing you want to be aware of when you're on Camino and especially staying in albergues, to be very considerate of other pilgrims. They're going to be trying to possibly sleep longer than you, and it's important to be quiet. So have all your stuff packed away at night, except for possibly your sleeping bag and some clothes. You also, what you might want to do is gather up anything that's still loose when you get up in the morning and go outside the room and then pack it in, because any kind of noise like that will be irritating to other pilgrims. Okay, so this is what I use. I've got these straps I put on here to hang clothes or whatever I need to do during the day to get some things dry. Not necessary, but part of my options. What I use for a day pack is this right here. Purchased it online on Amazon. It's called the 4 Monster. It's considered 16 liters. Okay, it's got a front zip pocket. It's waterproof. Okay, waterproof. Whenever I put things in here during the day, a lot of times I'll send my big pack ahead, especially on tough days, and I'll just carry this day pack for the day. I'll have my water in here. I'll have my food for the day that I purchased at the supermercado, and that's what I will carry along with me. Maybe a notebook and a pen or pencil, maybe some camera gear. Plenty of room in here, and this is what I use. This is what I carry around in the airport. Well, this will go through. This will not be a carry-on. This will go through and be put underneath the plane. What I do here, let's see if I can get this. I have a duffel bag. And you see all my tickets are still on there. What I'll do is I will fill my pack up, and then I'll slide this into this bag. Kind of got it taped together right now, but it slides in perfectly. Now I'll put my trekking poles in there and zip this up, and this will go under the plane. My carry-on will be this bag right here. Okay, and then I'm all set. I always put a lot of yellow tape on my bag to make sure I can pick it out quickly at the airport as it's coming around. That's my packing system. Once again, Osprey Kestrel 39 liter pack. I've got a 4 Monster Amazon day pack, and this duffel bag here that I use to carry to and from the airport. And then what I'll do with this bag is I'll stuff it in with the sleeping quilt at the bottom of the bag during the day. Sometimes I will send this ahead. If you're familiar with the Camino, you know that there's a guy, Ivar, in Santiago. And any excess equipment you may find out that you have during your Camino, you can box it up, send it to him, and pick it up when you leave. So I I used that option my first Camino. Last year I didn't, and this year I'm starting in Le Puy. I'm going to do 800 kilometers on the Le Puy, get to Saint Jean. When I get to Saint Jean, I'm going to take a train up to Bayonne, and then hop on the Norte in Bayonne, one of the European trails that will lead me to the start of the Camino Norte. So I'll get to Irun very quickly. But that's how we do it. That's how we pack. And I'll be doing this in about a month, leaving April 2nd. Be sure to check out all the links in the description where I will have all the gear listed below. Happy trails, buen camino.